How to add projects in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add them up. First of all, you must go to this website named workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this three-line icon. Simply tap on this three-line icon and here tap on your profile name. So here, there's a section of My Profile. Tap on My Profile. Basically, we're in this profile section. Here you can see and edit different things that you want to add up in your profile. So here there's a section called Featured Projects. This is the place where you can add all your projects. Simply tap on this plus icon. So here you can add all your projects that you want. So this is a way to prove yourself that you are capable of doing this job and have certain skills. At last, you can easily save it and it can be viewed in your profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.